Hi, my name's Addison Miller, and I'm doing a death march for English 12A on the night book, and this is my project. I was working with Haley Hegelmeyer, but we couldn't come up with any ideas to get started, so I talked to Miss Serrato and other teachers so I can get in my own group and get a video started and project going. And I did Death March of Statoth to Lennonberg, where they marched prisoners to the Baltic Sea and forced them to drown or be shot. And they forced prisoners in boats and shipped them off to the sea for dead, left for dead. And I put trees on here, sand, a beach, the ocean of the Baltic Sea. There's snow because they marched during the snow and had to go back because the Soviets were coming to liberate them. And they marched them to a different camp because they wanted to kill the prisoners instead of them getting liberated. And I also learned in 6th grade about the Holocaust and a bunch of death marches and everything that they did that was cool. And they even made people into soap. And what I wanted to know is how a lot of other people died and if there was a lot of other ways they were tortured or killed or burned, whatever they did to them. And I made a little sub camp for the Nazis, and I placed a map on here so I could see all the death marches and camps and cities, all the routes. And I chose this one right here, this small one, and there's the Baltic Sea, which I put over here. And I basically learned a lot more about the Holocaust from this English project, and I learned that there's like another book about this certain camp called Statoth. This camp, Statoth, there's a book called Forest of Gods. And that was by a survivor that survived this camp. And there was at least 100 people that got to escape the final march, and they went and hid during the camp. And they were liberated afterwards.